Hey, you guys, we are back with day 3 of 12 Days of Christmas with Brenda and Jackie from Rustic and Lace DIY and Crafting in Mimi's World. Today we are doing some woodland or rustic or both or whatever floats your boat. But you guys, we will have a playlist linked down in the description box of everyone that joined Brenda and Jackie. So I'm so excited for this. It is going to take me a minute to watch all of these videos. So I can't wait to actually get through all of them and watch. So today, you guys, I'm using a journaling, a calendar page from this Dollar Tree calendar. This is a new one this year. It's 25 and 27, does it say? I don't know. But I know it's from this year. I just recently bought this. So I have this rustic bell here. I have this pick. I have these little embellishment pieces. I have this deer card and some glasses here. I'm going to use my tag punch and this rustic like paper. You guys, you could totally do this on one of those square wood pieces from the Dollar Tree. I'm actually going to use my journaling page. Sorry about that falling over there, but I'm just going to use some school glue here, and as soon as I get that on, I put this down. And I found the easiest way to do this is just to rip off the paper like so all the way around my entire book. Okay, so next we're going to take this Vintage Photo Distressed Oxide ink. I love this. I love how it makes things look rustic. And that's what I'm going to do to this book sides here on this edging of the entire, I guess we'll call this a journaling spread. And I just love how that looks. Okay, so now that that's complete, I decided to go around this little area here. I wanted this to kind of pop off the page as well. And not get too lost. So we're gonna do that by adding this distressed ink around this. You guys, what I love about this ink too is if I would get this ink wet, it would oxide, so it would leave like cool little patterns and all that stuff. I don't actually do that with this inking. I could have just used my regular distressed ink, but I was kind of being lazy, and this one was already on my desk from a video or two ago, so I just figured I'd use it instead of the other ink. But this is a really cool ink if you do use it the way it's intended to, by sprinkling water on it and making it oxide, or even using other colors would work as well. So I have this little rustic bell. Ooh, I do not know where these came from. I'm so sorry. I have so much stuff, you guys. I just can't remember where anything come from anymore, hardly. And so what I did was cut off because these were supposed to be like ornaments, I just cut off the tied end and just tied one end here. And then I'm going to take and wrap it around the stick here. And then I want it to kind of like dangle from the side. So it'd be like almost like a tab, but it's not really a tab. It's a jingle bell, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do here. And then you guys, basically, we're just going to do a little bit of gluing for everything else. And I do add a little bit of snow, so you guys will see that as well. And yeah, I'm just going to put on some music and let you enjoy the rest of this video. Okay, you guys, this is the end of my video. I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch the playlist down in my description box of everyone that joined Brenda and Jackie. And if you'd like to get some more inspiration, you can watch this video here. If you'd like, you could tap my picture now and subscribe to my channel. And once again, don't forget to watch the playlist, you guys, of everyone that joined this 12 days of Christmas. And yeah, this is really fun. This is like the third year I've done this with Brenda, so I absolutely love it, and I hope she continues to do it throughout the years. So I want to say God bless, and we will see you on the next one.